For sale. A Jacobean Revival masterpiece. Located in Beaminster, Dorset, England. It offers 8 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms. Chedington Court is a Jacobean Revival country house in an elevated position with uninterrupted views stretching to the Brecon Beacons. The main house spans 4 floors, served by both a lift and 2 staircases. Principal reception rooms include the double-height Great Hall, drawing room, morning room, dining room for up to 20, breakfast room, and orangery opening to west-facing terraces. There are 8 bedrooms in total, 7 of which are en suite, including a dual-aspect principal suite with 2 bathrooms and dressing rooms. Amenities include a cinema room, gym, and a solar-assisted, chlorine-free indoor swimming pool with steam room. Additional accommodation includes Chedington Lodge, a separate gated residence with 4 bedrooms and west-facing terrace, and a coach house with 4 garages and 2 offices. The grounds extend to approximately 50 acres of landscape gardens, parkland, woodland, and pasture, including historic water gardens, an ornamental lake, kitchen garden, croquet lawn, terraces, and specimen trees. The asking price of this Jacobean Revival masterpiece is £9,950,000. Chedington Court offers a rare combination of historic stature, modern comfort, and complete privacy in one of Dorset's most sought-after settings. Thank you for watching.